welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make you starch. You know that Delta State starch, that Urhobo starch. Hey, you just need your starch. You need your pan, right? So I got my pot. I just finished greasing my pot with red oil. So this will make your starch to turn weird. And also prevent a lot of amount of your starch sticking to your pots. So I went to my water. Please, this water you're going to add it little by little. Then shake the consistency of the bottom of your pot. Here I'm actually just trying to break down my starch and mix it with the bottom so that I can go ahead to check the consistency of the starch. Okay, so I'm breaking it down here. I've finished breaking it down. So now I'm going ahead to check the consistency. That's the thickness. If it is watery or if it is thick. If it is watery, I go in with more starch. Okay, if it is thick, I go in with a little bit of water. So that is just it. So I'm shaking it here. Shake the bottom of the pot if it is thick or if it is watery. So I'm shaking it. You also turn your pot, shake it. I think it's a kind of thick, so I added in little water. So I checked it again one time. Then I'm like, okay. I checked it, okay. I said, okay, this is the key for me. I like this consistency. So I went on to wash my hands. Took it to my So this is the tricky part. Please, immediately you place it on your burner, on your cooker, whatever. Please don't drop your hand. You'll be surprised if you know in 5 seconds how it's going to turn out. Please don't remove your hand. So just continue turning it anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, center, clockwise, anti-clockwise, center. This is the best way to avoid lumps, avoid seed in your starch. You can see I'm doing it clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, just like this. So at this point, my starch is now thick. So what we're doing with that clockwise, anti-clockwise, center, clockwise, anti-clockwise, center. That is what I was doing. Then you can see that my starch is now coming together. It's now coming together. Maybe sometimes you might see the white starch that has not yet cooked. So what you just do is to try to remove that white part and put it at the bottom of your pot. That is where the fire, or should I say the heat, is coming from. So that the heat should cook it. So when the heat touches it, the heat cooks it and turns it to yellow. So that makes it or stops it from mixing with the main starch and now making your starch. You now have yellow part and white part. So you can see I'm doing it here. You see that white one now is now cooked. So you just bring out that white part that wants to turn to a seed in your starch and place it underneath place it on the pot, under the pot where the heat is coming from. Now my starch is almost ready. You can see, and you can see how it is very thick starch. So this I'm just adding some finishing touches to make it clean.